Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. We're here today to show you the Boston Whaler 2023 22 Dauntless. What a phenomenal job they did this on the redesign. They packed a lot into this 22-foot boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on the 22 Dauntless. Let's start at the back. We got the Mercury 250 on the back. Made in America Mercury. Oh, we all love that. Plenty of horsepower for this boat. It's got a great hole shot. Top end is incredible on this boat. If the vibration is very, very little, least of any boats out there, and then you can barely, I turn this on, you can, if you didn't see the water coming out of it, you wouldn't even know the thing was running. It's that quiet. So incredible motor. Drink holders, 4 rod holders in the back, your fishing platform when you're fishing, seats in the back. A lot of times these are a pain in the neck. You got to do this, you got to do that. You know, this doesn't get any easier. Sitting into the cabin and get cushions and stuff like that. So you got rod holders here, you got 4 across, grab bar, real good size, live well, so plenty of room for your bait, place for hooks, knife, all conveniently located in here. Rod holders along the sides as well. And then up at the helm, you got the Simrad. I can actually split this screen, which is I can have chart plotter on one, and I can have the depth finder and fish finder on the other, which is great. You got the SmartCraft, you got the JBL, the JL rather, stereo on it, Simrad VHF, digital throttle and shift, and trim tabs. Got to have the trim tabs. So let's move to the head for a 22-foot boat. It's a pump out, so you don't have to deal with that, but a lot of room, a lot of just headroom, elbow room, you name it, storage. It's all tucked under the helm as well, so really good size head area for a 22-foot boat. So again, the size of the boat with this size of a lounger in the front is just something else. 2 adults very comfortably, armrests, drink holders here, and then if you lift it up, storage down here. So you name it, I can put dive tanks down here. I can you got fish rod place for rods. I can put 5 rods in here. It actually locks, so if you go into a restaurant or to a store or whatever it may be, you can lock your rods away. No one can hop on the boat and take them for you, which is nice. It does have a sunshade which comes out, hooks into these 2 poles, hooks on 2 clips up on here, so within like 2 minutes you've got a nice sunshade on that covers the whole bow. So just a nice feature on this particular boat. Stereo speakers, more rod holders up here. You've got a fish box / cooler, and your ankle locker is in here. And the boat, it will actually, for a 22-foot boat, it does go out into the ocean, does go into the Gulf. It's very safe, again, unsinkable, so you don't have to worry about that. But it also goes into the real shallow backwaters as well. So it's a fantastic boat. If you'd like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194. And if you want to see more of these videos, please join us on Facebook.